Hello everyone, Apple Buff here. Welcome to the review of MagSafe Duo. So to start off, for those who don't know what this piece of tech is, to them all I want to say is that this is MagSafe Duo Charger, which is an accessory proudly made by Apple that allows you to charge your iPhone and your Apple Watch both at the same time. Now if you ask me about my unboxing experience, it was great, I mean really great, unless and until I noticed one thing that was missing from the box. So apparently I would be playing the unboxing clip and I want you to notice that missing thing. To my astonishment, there is no power brick included in the box. So in short, MagSafe Duo Charger is a charger that comes without a power brick. You need to buy a 20 watt or a higher watt power adapter that is sold separately at Apple to get the MagSafe Duo started. But apart from the missing power brick, this is actually quite useful. Like to charge your Apple Watch, you can do it in two ways. Number one, just place it flat and let it charge. And number two, you can even charge your Apple Watch in nightstand mode, for which all you have to do is just put your finger over here and push so that it pops up and then place your Apple Watch. While the iPhone section of the MagSafe Duo is just magical. All you have to do is just snap on your iPhone onto the MagSafe and it starts charging. Well, one thing to note is that if you're using an older iPhone that supports Qi wireless charging, then the MagSafe will only act as a wireless charger and be able to charge your iPhone at 7.5 watts, which is lower than that offered with the iPhone 12 lineup. And yes, you're also gonna miss the MagSafe charging animation while using an older iPhone with MagSafe, which in my opinion is truly disappointing. So with all that being said, it's time to answer the question, is it worth those $129? So the answer is yes, and the reason is, number one, it's absolutely useful, because if you're like me who owns an Apple Watch, iPhone that supports wireless charging and AirPods, then this is absolutely for people like us. And apart from charging the iPhone, you can even charge your AirPods. Number two, since it gets folded, it's absolutely handy, that even makes it a travel-friendly accessory. But once again, I would like to stress on the fact that no doubt the MagSafe Duo is really incredible, but at the same time it's expensive. So with that being said, this is Apple Buff signing off. Catch you in the next one. Till then, peace.